Let's start with color mode. So I'm going to click on new file, photos. I'm taking a photo document and here are the color modes. So first is a bitmap color mode. So I'm going to select bitmap color mode and it's a 1 bit. So bitmap color mode is one that is made up of either black or white pixels. So let's see what is bitmap color mode. Here I am giving resolution 72 and I am going to select pixels and orientation will be landscape and I am going to click on create to create a page. So this is untitled one with a bitmap and I am opening an image, file, open. I am taking an image. So this is an image I had selected and now I'm going to select an image and I'm going to place the image. So this is what a bitmap is. So as I said earlier, it is made up of either black or white pixels. So this is an bitmap image. So this looks like this. Now next we say don't save. Next is grayscale. First I'm going to use 8-bit. So grayscale stands for absolute black and absolute white and then it turns to gray color, so it is known as grayscale. So first I am going to take 8-bit and create. Now I am going to open image and this image and I'm going to place this image. So just I'm going to select this one and I had copied and paste this image. So let's stick with this image. Okay. So this is an 8-bit grayscale image. Now again I am going to say new file, new photo, same page and pixels, orientation will be landscape and resolution will be 72 and here I am going to take grayscale 16-bit and create. Again I am going to place this image here and again file, new photo, pixels, orientation landscape, resolution 72 and it's grayscale 32 bits. So create. Same image I'm going to pick up and I'm going to place here. Okay. So, and I'm going to close this image. Now we will see the variants of this image. Let's see. This is an 8-bit variant. And again I'm going to choose this also, and I'm going to show you the difference between 8, 32 and 16-bit. So yes, okay. Now there is a vast difference between 8, there is a vast difference between 8, 16 and 32 bits. So colors are also changed quite, and you can see the various effects. So here is a color. So this is a 8-bit picture, this is a 16-bit picture, and this is a 32-bit picture. So in all picture I had kept the resolution to 72. It's okay with resolution. Now the colors had been changed, so it's like it gets darker and darker and better. So this was the first image of 8-bit. So this is the first image of 8-bit. So this looks light, then darker, and then darker. So this is a difference between bits. So you can choose any bit also, it's no issue. So now I'm going to close this. Next is new file, photos, and it's an RGB color mode, and I'm taking 8-bit and create. Now I'm going to select an image. Now here I'm going to take another image. We will select this image and I'm going to select this butterfly and it's copy and paste. Same thing again I'm going to do is select photo, document, pixels, orientation will be same, it's 72, and now I'm going to take 16-bit resolution and create. I'm going to take same again, copy, paste, file new, and I'm going to close this. Okay, and done. Done. Okay, now I am going to show you the difference between 8 and 16 bit. So this is 8 bit, this is 16 bit, and this is 32 bit. So from darker to light to lightness. So this is what the RGB works. So now again, don't save, and now I'm going to show you CMYK color mode. So new file, I'm taking the same thing, and here pixels. Now I'm going to select same options, 72 CMYK, and there are 2 bits, 8 and 16. So we will go for 8 bit first and create. Now we will open an image. Okay, we had opened this image, and I'm going to select this image and copy, paste, and now again new document, photos, here pixels, CMYK 16 bit, and resolution 72, and create. Copy, paste. So yes, now we will see the difference between the 8 and 62. Now here you can see the darkness, and here it's little bit dark. So this is the difference. So CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, black. So this is what CMYK color modes we had seen today. So now what I am going to do, now we are going for a lab colors. So I will select first an image. Yes. So after selecting an image, now I am going to select image mode, and now I am going to turn to lab color. Okay. After selecting the lab color, see the channels in layer palette. So these are the channels. So lightness, then this is an A channel and this is a B channel. So lab colors full form is lightness, A channel, and it's B channel. Okay, so it's a human prescription color mode. So we will see. So it's light. So see, it's light, then it's A channel which go for red, and it's B channel. So this is what we can see. Now we will click here and layer palette. Go to adjustments, levels. After selecting levels, then again go. So now here you can see level 1 mask. So this is what we selected, and again I'm going in layer palette, again adjustments, curves, and now we will work on this portion to be changed. Now I'm going to show how it works. So I'm picking up this outside so you can see it very properly. So yes, so let's do. So now I'm going to change a lightness. So and C. This is a lightness, A channel. Now I'm going to change with B channel. So let's see what it does. Or if I select lightness, what happens? So this is what the lab colors. So you can use lab color and you can change the image colors, and you can fix the colors. You can see how lab colors work. So that's it for the today.